Hello everyone, my name is Miss Khanikarkukilakrishna Khanikar. I am from Assam. I hope all of you are good and well. I am a Limitless Stree member. We are planning to celebrate the event of Menstrual Hygiene Day on 28th May. It is going to be held in Guwahati, Assam, in Central Jail for our female prison inmates. We are planning to distribute the pads in the semi-rural areas and the rural areas and in the prison for our female inmates. So Menstrual Hygiene Day is an awareness day on 28 May to highlight the importance of the menstrual hygiene on a global level. It would be great if you contribute money for this good cause. So let's join our hands for this mission. The following links to donate money is in the description box. This event is going to be held in Guwahati, Assam for the female prison inmates. Thank you so much.